Click on the link below to get price. The Electric Air Smart Dehumidifier is a robust solution for combating humidity in spaces up to 1,000 square feet, making it an ideal choice for basements and bathrooms where moisture can lead to mold and mildew. With a capacity to remove up to 35 pints of moisture per day, this dehumidifier is designed to efficiently manage dampness while enhancing indoor air quality. One of the standout features is its smart technology, which allows for automatic adjustments based on the humidity levels in your environment. The built-in hygrometer continuously monitors humidity and activates the dehumidifier when levels exceed your set threshold. This feature not only ensures optimal performance but also saves energy by running only when necessary. The user-friendly digital display provides real-time humidity readings, making it easy to keep track of your indoor climate. The design of the Electric Air Smart Dehumidifier is sleek and modern, allowing it to blend seamlessly into various home aesthetics. Its compact size does not compromise its performance, and it can easily fit into tight spaces without being obtrusive. The unit is equipped with a 2-liter removable water tank for easy disposal, along with an option for continuous drainage for those who prefer a hands-off approach. Another notable aspect is the quiet operation, which is particularly beneficial in areas like bedrooms or living rooms. Users can enjoy a comfortable atmosphere without the disruptive noise typical of many dehumidifiers. The built-in air filter further enhances performance by trapping dust and allergens, promoting a healthier indoor environment. In terms of maintenance, the filter is washable and easy to access, ensuring that upkeep is straightforward. Overall, the Electric Air Smart Dehumidifier effectively tackles moisture problems with its powerful performance, smart features, and user-centric design. It is an excellent investment for anyone seeking to improve their home's air quality and protect their living space from the detrimental effects of excess humidity.